If you wanted to set up a VPN on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to proceed to Connections. In here, we're gonna choose More Connection Settings, and then in here we have the VPN option. Of course, we will have to set up a VPN profile, so we need to use this plus in the upper right corner, and then we need to fill everything in. If you have all the necessary information that has to be used in order to connect with a VPN server, then of course we can enter it over here and then save, and then we can select that profile in here. However, most of the time, for most people, you actually want to just simply download a VPN app. And this can be done, for example, with the Play Store. So if you go to the Play Store, you can simply use the search option here at the bottom, then the search field at the top. And of course, we can type VPN. If you don't have any specific VPN in mind, you can just type VPN and you should be able to find a bunch of different VPN apps. And of course, I recommend you trying out any of them. You can try to find your favorite one. But if you don't know which one to choose, let's say we're going to use this one over here in this example, we can just simply install it. And usually the setup for these VPN apps is very straightforward and very easy. So once the app is installed, you can just open it over here. And then let's wait. Over here, we can actually sign in by using a account. So we can create a new account, or you can just continue as a guest. So that's a really convenient way. So we're gonna select continue as guest in this case, and we might also see like add a premium offer or something, which we can actually skip by tapping on a not now over here at the bottom of the screen. And there we go. In here, you should be able to choose the server, or actually just connect to any free server in this specific case, and you should be able to connect. Of course, if needed, grant all the necessary permissions, and if needed, go through settings of the app if that's necessary. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.